Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to reduplicate this, and they need to make quite a few of them. And they're using the rectangle tool. This could possibly work. Draw a rectangle, and then with your ratio lock and pick chamfered corners, let's do 1.5 inches. Whoop, almost had rounded corners. Chamfered corners, 1.5. Not enough, so let's go 2. You can't go too much. But he's saying when he does that, it's too short. The peaks aren't sharp enough. Now, there are two ways you could fix that. One, you can go to Object and convert it to a curve and grab this node, holding down the control button and make, there's evidently 2 nodes there. Make your peak as long as you want. Now, to make them equal, I don't know why there's 2 lines there or 2 nodes. Let's take this. That's the reason right there. This has a bounding box and it's getting in our way. Or it was when I was filling it. So let's get the Smart Fill tool and see if that doesn't cure that. Let's left click, right click, grab the nodes. See, now there's just 1 node. So to make it equal on both ends, let's set your nudge factor like to see how big this thing is. 7 inches. Let's set our nudge factor to 1. Grab your shape tool, grab that node and move your node up by, I'm hitting the up and down arrow keys, and there you have that shape. Now it's not exactly the same size, but it's close enough. And when you add that and make it like a half inch line, that's pretty close to it. Now that's one way to do it. The other way, it's kind of irritating that you don't ever think about this. Take a 6-sided polygon and do not hold down, control button, you get a perfect polygon. Do not hold down the control button. Look at that. Half inch, turn it black, and you get the same shape. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.